Welcome back to Silicophilic. If you want to watch anime legally without paying for 5 different subscriptions, this video might save you a lot of money. Pluto TV, anime that feels like old school television. Pluto TV, owned by Paramount Global, is actually kind of nostalgic. But what makes Pluto different is that it behaves more like traditional television. They literally have dedicated 24/7 anime channels running constantly, which means instead of endlessly scrolling through libraries, you just open the app and anime is already playing. That channel surfing feeling is weirdly relaxing. Sometimes it's actually better than spending a few minutes deciding what to watch. And because it's officially licensed, the stream quality is seamless. There is no buffering nightmares, no fake websites, no shady redirects. Tubi, the hidden Netflix for anime fans. Platforms like Tubi are completely legal. A lot of people still don't realize how massive Tubi has become. The platform is owned by Fox Corporation, which means this isn't some random streaming site. It's backed by a major media company, and their anime library is honestly huge now. You will get here classic series, modern titles, dubbed anime, subbed anime, and the best part, the app actually feels polished, especially on smart TVs, PlayStation, Xbox, and Fire TV devices. You just watch a few ads and the content stays free. RetroCrush, the place keeping classic anime alive. Now, if you grew up with older anime, RetroCrush is special. Because while most platforms focus only on modern trending shows, RetroCrush focuses on anime history. You can watch 80s classics, 90s cult favorites, and the vintage hidden gems. The kind of anime that helped build the entire industry, and honestly, some of these shows are genuinely hard to find legally anywhere else. So if you want to explore old school anime properly, RetroCrush is probably one of the best free platforms online right now. YouTube, the anime platform hiding in plain sight. Now here is the funny part. One of the best free anime services is literally YouTube, because official distributors now upload full anime episodes directly onto YouTube legally. Channels like Muse Asia, One Asia regularly stream full anime series completely free, and a shocking number of people still don't know this exists. The only thing you need to check is the verification badge, because if the upload is official, you are supporting the actual distributor directly. There is no piracy, no copyright problems, no sketchy downloads. You can enjoy just legal anime streaming. The part most people don't understand is anime availability changes depending on your country. Some series appear in one region and disappear in another. That's just how licensing works. However, the legal free anime space is getting much better now. You no longer need 10 paid subscriptions just to enjoy anime safely, which is something anime fans have wanted for years. So, if you have been digging through random anime websites full of pop-ups and fake buttons, maybe stop doing that, because the official free options are honestly getting really good now. Drop your favorite anime in the comments and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech, streaming, and digital culture content. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.